Ready for a positive change? Yoga might be just what you need. It's more than just stretching, it's about connecting with yourself. Yoga helps your body and mind feel amazing. You can do yoga no matter your age or fitness level. It's a journey of self-discovery. Let's explore how yoga can transform your life. Yoga began centuries ago. It started in India, focusing on the connection between mind, body, and breath. Today, yoga is practiced worldwide for its countless benefits. The best part? Yoga is adaptable. There are various styles to suit everyone. Find one that resonates with you and begin your journey. Yoga is known for increasing flexibility. Through a series of carefully designed poses, practitioners can gradually stretch their muscles, making them more pliable and less prone to injury. Regular practice lengthens and strengthens muscles. This consistent stretching not only enhances flexibility, but also contributes to overall muscle tone and endurance. This can ease stiffness and improve posture. By focusing on alignment and mindful movement, yoga helps to correct postural imbalances and reduce chronic pain. But yoga is not just about bending and stretching, it also builds strength. Many poses require you to support your body weight in new ways, which can significantly enhance muscle strength. Holding poses strengthens muscles, leading to increased stamina. The longer you hold a pose, the more your muscles are challenged, which helps to build endurance over time. Yoga also improves balance, which is important for everyone, especially as we age. Balance is a key component of overall fitness and can help prevent injuries. Improved balance can prevent falls and improve coordination. This is particularly beneficial for older adults, as maintaining good balance can significantly enhance quality of life and independence. Section 4. Mind Matters, Stress Relief and Emotional Well-Being. In our busy lives, finding calmness is crucial. With the constant hustle and bustle, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. Yoga provides tools to manage stress. Through various poses and techniques, it offers a sanctuary from daily pressures. Focused breathing and mindful movements quiet the mind. These practices help us center ourselves, bringing a sense of peace and clarity. Regular yoga practice reduces anxiety and promotes relaxation. By dedicating time to this practice, we can significantly improve our mental health. It helps us become more aware of our emotions, leading to greater emotional stability. This awareness allows us to respond to situations more thoughtfully. Yoga teaches us to be present at the moment. Being present helps us to fully experience and appreciate each moment, reducing feelings of regret and anxiety about the past or future. This focus helps us appreciate life's simple joys and navigate challenges with more resilience. By embracing the principles of yoga, we can cultivate a more balanced and fulfilling life, finding joy in the journey and strength in the face of adversity. Section 5. Yoga in your everyday life. Incorporating yoga into your routine is easier than you think. It doesn't require a complete overhaul of your schedule. You can seamlessly blend yoga into your daily activities, making it a natural part of your life. Start with a few minutes each day, gradually increasing the duration. Even 5 minutes of focused breathing and stretching can make a significant difference. As you become more comfortable, you can extend your practice to 10, 15, or even 30 minutes. No need for fancy equipment. You don't have to invest in expensive gear to get started. A simple yoga mat and some comfortable clothes are all you need to begin your journey. A mat and comfortable clothes are enough. These basics will provide you with the comfort and support necessary to perform various poses and stretches effectively. You can practice at home, in a park, or even during your lunch break. The beauty of yoga is its flexibility. Whether you're in your living room, enjoying nature in a park, or taking a break at work, you can find a moment to practice. Try simple stretches while watching TV or waiting for the kettle to boil. Every little bit counts. Remember, consistency is key. By integrating these small practices into your day, you'll build a sustainable habit that enhances your well-being over time. Section 6. Unroll your mat and begin your journey. Yoga is a gift you give yourself. It's a journey of self-discovery, strength, and peace. It's about feeling good in your own skin. So, what are you waiting for? Roll out your mat and experience the transformative power of yoga. You deserve to feel your best inside and out.